Latest chika, right now, we're just enjoying what we have. Ganito ang niyag ng aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan patungkol sa kanilang relationship status ng aktres na si Bill Mariano. We're doing good. We're very happy, of course. Of course, we're taking it easy, wika ni Donnie sa isang exclusive interview. Well, right now, we're just enjoying what we have. We're taking things easy lang para walang pressure. Pagpapatuloy pa ng aktor. We're just taking our time. Doon lang kami sa focusing on our work. Siyempre, marami rin siyang work. Marami rin akong work. Of course, the love and care for each other will always be there. Dagdag pa nito.